folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a stock instrument to show you, and I'm really proud of it. It's an alto ukulele, which is like my small concert, kind of in between soprano and concert. And the wood is mainly salvaged mango wood. So this started off as a piece of furniture I got from our friends Danny and Perry, and we sliced it all up and to turn it into something. And it's salvaged wood, so I mean, it's got knots, it's got little checks in it, it's got little flaws, but it's also curly and beautiful, and I just love it. And I was even able to get pieces enough to make a neck. So it's all that salvaged mango, and then the other wood is walnut. It's just local wood to me here in Hood River. And I just went really simple, no binding, no rosette. And I think it's really a good looking piece. So also I used the headstock that I got from some 1890s Hawaiian ukuleles. And when I use that headstock, I think the old-fashioned tuners look best. So even though these look like fiddle pegs, they're really geared. So this is a brand called Pegheads, and so it's a modern geared tuner. It just looks like a fiddle peg. I think it's well suited to this instrument. So this is a stock instrument. It's going to be for sale on the website. I think the mango, I remember using mango a lot earlier in my career, and it's just got like a nice mellow, sweet sound to it. It's not as bright as some of the, domestic woods I normally would use, but maybe it's nice to maybe have something a little more mellow and rich and subdued, and I think the mango and the walnut's doing it. This is a really light instrument too. It's really comfortable. So yeah, it's going to be for sale on the site, $1,600. It's got bone nut and saddle, radius fretboard, fluorocarbon strings, geared tuners. And it's salvaged mango and walnut. This is number 912. Cheers. Thanks a lot.